The #2 search engine in the world is YouTube. YouTube isn't just about entertainment. It's also the place where people go when they want to see a product reviewed or compared, or when they want to learn how to do something or want to learn more about something. Now, with so many people seeking answers and information on YouTube, it just makes sense for most businesses to try and make use, not just of YouTube, but of video marketing generally. And your business probably could benefit from it as well. But how do you make use of YouTube to promote your website or business? Where does it fit in with SEO? How much do you rely on video marketing? And what's going wrong with yours that it's not catching on? Well, we'll be taking up those questions and more in a series of free webinars that are going to be starting with our very next webinar. So join us on Wednesday. That's 4 p.m. Eastern, 1 p.m. for you West Coasters for YouTube Optimization Part 1. Go to horizonwebmarketing.com/webinars. Sign up right now before you forget. And if you sign up and you aren't able to attend, we'll send you access to a recording of the webinar and you'll be all set for Part 2, which will be coming up in a couple of weeks. Thanks. Hope to see you there.